Hey everyone, welcome back to Arch Zenith. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into one of my absolute favorite design philosophies, the art of Hygge living. You know that feeling when you step into a space that just feels right, warm lighting, natural textures, cozy corners, and that quiet calm that makes you want to stay all day. That's Hygge. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 creative interior design tricks that can help you transform your home into a sanctuary of comfort and peace. And don't worry, you won't need a full renovation or a huge budget. Hygge design is all about simplicity, authenticity, and emotional warmth. Whether you live in a small apartment, a rustic farmhouse, or a modern minimalist home, these ideas will show you how to create a space that's not just beautiful, but feels good to live in. So grab your favorite blanket, light a candle, and let's explore how to create your perfect Hygge home. Segment 1. Embrace warm lighting for a calm and cozy atmosphere. If there's one thing that defines a Hygge home, it's the lighting. Forget harsh overhead bulbs. Hygge thrives on soft, layered illumination. It's about creating a glow that invites relaxation, not overstimulation. Start by using warm-toned bulbs, those with a color temperature around 2700 K to 3000 K, to create that candlelight-like warmth. Add multiple light sources throughout your space, table lamps, wall sconces, and string lights that make every corner feel alive. This layered lighting creates a visual softness that instantly lowers stress. You can even take it further by incorporating smart dimmable lights or LED candles for energy efficiency, while keeping that cozy vibe intact. Scandinavian designers often talk about the importance of list, light that feels natural and human-centered. Try to place your light fixtures near reflective surfaces like light-toned wood, rattan, or soft beige walls to spread that gentle radiance across the room. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to use paper lanterns or linen lampshades. They diffuse light beautifully and add texture, one of the key visual elements of a true Hygge interior. Segment 2. Add natural materials and textures for a sense of connection. The essence of Hygge comes from feeling connected to your space, to nature, and to yourself. And nothing brings that connection to life more beautifully than natural materials. Think of warm woods, soft wool, linen, stone, rattan, jute, and clay. These materials age gracefully, tell stories, and make your home feel authentic. A reclaimed wood coffee table, a wool throw blanket, or linen curtains can do more for your space than synthetic decor ever could. One of the most popular 2025 trends in interior design is organic minimalism. a concept that blends the clean lines of modern design with the warmth of natural materials. This trend pairs perfectly with Hygge. You can layer textures, like a woven rug on wooden floors, or stoneware mugs sitting on a raw oak shelf, to build a sensory experience that feels calm and intentional. The key is not perfection, but balance. Don't overload your home with too many decorative elements. Instead, focus on texture, contrast, smooth ceramics next to rough linen, soft wall beside raw wood. Hygge is all about feeling, not just seeing, the beauty of your surroundings. Segment 3. Create cozy corners, your personal Hygge nook. Every Hygge home needs what the Danes call a hyggekrog, a cozy corner or nook where you can relax, unwind, and feel safe. It's that perfect little spot where you curl up with a good book, sip your coffee, or simply sit in silence. To create one, find a quiet area near natural light, maybe by a window or under a staircase. Add a comfortable armchair, a soft blanket, and a small side table for your tea or candle. Keep it simple. Clutter is the enemy of comfort. You can also incorporate elements of nature like a small indoor plant, a ceramic vase with dried flowers, or a woven basket for texture. If your space is small, use a window bench with built-in storage. It saves space while creating that inviting nook feeling. And don't forget scent, an often overlooked part of Hygge. A candle with hints of cedarwood, vanilla, or lavender can instantly elevate your nook's sensory warmth. Pair that with soft background music or the sound of rain, and you've got yourself the perfect Hygge sanctuary. Segment 4. Use a calming color palette for balance and serenity. When it comes to Hygge interiors, color plays a quiet but powerful role. The right palette sets the mood for calm, comfort, and clarity. Hygge design thrives on neutral tones and earthy hues that reflect nature. Think warm whites, beige, taupe, soft greys, muted greens, and terracotta accents. These tones act as a soothing backdrop, allowing textures and materials to take center stage. You can layer similar shades for a monochromatic yet dynamic look, creating visual depth without overwhelming the senses. This style mirrors the natural world, simple, balanced, and timeless. In 2025, color psychology in interior design has become a major trend. More homeowners are gravitating toward wellness-inspired color schemes, palettes that reduce anxiety and encourage mindfulness. A touch of muted blue or sage green can introduce tranquility, while terracotta brings in warmth and nostalgia. To enhance this palette, consider natural finishes like lime wash paint or clay plaster, both trending for their tactile, organic textures. These surfaces diffuse light beautifully and evoke a handcrafted charm that complements the Hygge lifestyle. Segment 5. Bring nature indoors. Plants, wood, and natural light. Hygge living is deeply tied to biophilic design, the idea of integrating nature into the home. This doesn't just make your space more beautiful, it also boosts your mood, purifies the air, and strengthens your connection with the natural world. Start with indoor plants, not too many, just enough to create life and freshness. Low-maintenance plants like pothos, snake plants, or ferns thrive indoors and fit seamlessly with the Hygge aesthetic. Pair them with terracotta pots, ceramic planters, or woven baskets for a rustic touch. Wood is another essential element. Use it in furniture, flooring, or accent walls. Light oak, birch, and ash are particularly Scandinavian and create a sense of airiness. If you're working on a budget, try upcycled furniture, not only sustainable but also full of personality. Finally, maximize natural light. Keep window treatments minimal. Choose sheer curtains or linen drapes that let sunlight flow in softly. Natural light amplifies every other Hygge element, from colors to materials, making your home feel alive and harmonious. Segment 6. Simplify and declutter, the art of intentional living. At its core, Hygge isn't about how much you have, it's about how you feel in the space you have. That's why decluttering is one of the most powerful Hygge tricks you can apply to your home. This doesn't mean everything has to look sterile or empty. The goal is intentional simplicity, keeping what truly adds value to your daily life. Each item in your home should have a purpose or bring joy. A handmade mug, a framed photo, or a well-loved blanket can all be part of your story. Storage plays a big role here. Opt for woven baskets, built-in shelves, or hidden drawers that maintain a tidy yet organic aesthetic. Avoid over-decorating. Instead, let breathing space become part of your design. Negative space, when used thoughtfully, gives the eyes room to rest and the mind a sense of clarity. As more people embrace slow living and sustainable design in 2025, the minimalist Hygge lifestyle is trending worldwide. By curating rather than accumulating, you not only create a calmer home, you create a calmer you. Segment 7. Add personal touches that tell your story. Hygge isn't a style to copy, it's a feeling to express. And that means infusing your home with personal touches that tell your story. Your space should reflect you, your travels, your hobbies, your memories, your dreams. Start small. A gallery wall of your favorite moments, handmade ceramics, or a collection of vintage books that hold meaning. These details add soul and warmth, something no catalog can replicate. Hygge interiors are deeply personal, celebrating the imperfections and individuality that make life beautiful. You can also add sensory layers, the scent of baking bread, the sound of a vinyl record, or the softness of a wall throw. These experiences turn a house into a home. As design trends shift toward emotional well-being and mindfulness, Hygge perfectly captures what people are craving: authenticity, comfort, and connection. Remember, your home isn't just a place to live, it's a space to feel alive. And when you design with that in mind, you'll find that every little corner starts to radiate warmth and belonging. And that's it. 7 creative interior design tricks to help you build your very own Hygge home. From warm lighting and natural materials to cozy corners and intentional simplicity, every detail we talked about today is a step toward creating a space that feels good every single day. If you're dreaming of a home that nurtures your soul and calms your mind, Hygge design is the perfect way to start. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about presence. A Hygge home is one that holds you gently and reminds you to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the small things. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves cozy home design as much as you do. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these 7 ideas are you most excited to try in your home? Until next time, wishing you warmth, comfort, and endless Hygge vibes. See you in the next one.